Everybody wants to know how to tie into the existing plumbing to get the water heading in the right direction towards their new bathroom or bar, whatever it is you're plumbing in your basement. So what we're going to show you here today is how to tie into existing water lines. We shot the first one in between. We're getting ready to put the second one up here. And remember, I said we're going to put these in flat ways because we're trying to maximize the ceiling height. So there's another column right out in the middle of a big room here. We put another half wall there, and what we did is we left a big archway between that column there and this column here. And you may have to take your hammer out and tap down on your ladder, knock it down a little bit until you get it perfectly level. Make sure that before you start to cross over from ladder to ladder underneath your ductwork and your beams, that both of your ladders are exactly level. And this soffit will be complete. All the ductwork and the beam and everything that's up inside between the two ladders will be hidden away in the drywall soffit. All right, we want to be in the middle of our ceiling joists and in our studs and our walls. All right, that's why the layout is so critical when you're framing, so you hit in the middle. Today we're going to show you how we're going to be putting the heating and air conditioning ventilation system in this basement. And the other thing, obviously, that we talked about is when you make the connections like Tom's making again now for the 5th time in this video. It's already pre-cut. You just grab it, stuff it in between the joists, and slide it up tight to the top. And you can see the electrician drilling up through the plate right now. He's going to be running a wire up through that hole and taking it over to the panel box. Okay, we can take a look at Chris cutting down through the wall here. Gonna make a couple more marks. That was nice and solid. Moving on down. Catch another one right here. This is the framing for a ventless gas fireplace, all right? We've got a nice fireplace that we put in. All right, this is a ventless gas fireplace. And if you're gonna be doing your own painting, we painted this entire basement in 3 hours yesterday with this Titan. Okay, let's take a look at that water meter closet that we built to hide that water meter. You can see it's just a bump out from the main wall that runs the length of the basement. And inside here, we hid the water meter. So you can see here at the top of the stairs, we've got our traditional full light door. I love buildings. I think they really organize things and look fantastic once they're finished for the finished basement product. And remember, all of my videos, all my training videos are shot on site while we're actually remodeling basements. It's not a staged training video. This is actual raw footage from us out on the job doing it ourselves with my basement remodeling company.